Not explain the position of isotopes, anomalous position of some pairs of elements, and uncertainty in prediction of new elements. These anomalies led scientists to think that the atomic mass may not be the fundamental property to classify the elements, rather, some other properties of these elements could be the basic classification of elements. So, in 1913, Henry Moseley found that the atomic number of elements are most fundamental property than their atomic masses. So, Moseley has given that long form of periodic table. So, we know that by knowing atomic number, electronic configuration, valency electron, and many similarity we could find. We know that valency of the element decides the chemical properties of that element. Moreover, atomic number of an element is fixed. So, one element has only one atomic number. It is always as a whole number. There is no fraction. So, no two elements have same atomic number. Finally, it was decided that atomic number is the more fundamental property to classify the elements. So, Moseley has given that modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? The properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. The properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. This is modern periodic law. According to this law, the elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic number. So, there is occurrence of elements with similar chemical properties of certain intervals. So, we can say that periodicity in properties due to the reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration. When you see this modern periodic table, it has explained the isotope is need not explain. That means it is arranged in the increasing order of the atomic number. So, isotope has same atomic number but different atomic mass. So, one element has one atomic number. So, elements are arranged in the increasing order of the atomic number. So, isotope got the same position. For example, isotope of oxygen can be put in the place of second period 16th group. So, here how many periods are there? Periods. Horizontal one is known as period. 7 periods are there. And vertical lines are known as groups. 18 groups are there. Along with that, Niels Bohr, he also worked with to complete that long form of periodic table. So, it was designed totally, fully completed. One was given by Niels Bohr. That is long form of periodic table, which is still we are following that. Whatever he predicted, that only till now we are following that. So, arrange the number increasing order of atomic number in rows are called periods. It is based on the electronic configuration. So, the columns are called groups, the rows are called periods. So, 7 periods and 18 groups are there. 7 periods and 18 groups. When you see this 7 periods, they are based on the chemical properties. What are the criteria for modern periodic table? Atomic number and chemical properties. So, first group elements are called alkali metal. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium are alkali metal. So, they react with water to form alkalis. Second group elements are called alkaline earth metal. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, they are called alkaline earth metal. 16th group, come to 16th group. 16th group elements are called chalcogens. Chalcogens, that means ore forming. They are present in the form of ore. 17th group elements are called halogens. Halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are halogens. So the rest of the groups are named by using first element. That is, 15th group elements are nitrogen element. 13th group elements are called boron family. 18th group elements are called zero group or noble gases. In between, group 3 to 12 are called transition elements or transition metals because they are present between highly reactive metal and highly reactive non-metal. They show transition between metals and non-metals. Some groups have few elements which have in between properties of metal and non-metal. They are semi-metals or metalloids. Example, 14th group has silicon and germanium. Metalloids are present. 15th group have arsenic and antimony. There it is also metalloids. So number of valence electrons remain same. So these are the just designing of modern periodic table. Next class we shall see how those elements are arranged, what are the properties can be learned in the periodic table.